How do mod musos? It's great to be back with another belting Northern Soul anthem. Move along, drift away. Today we're going to be looking at Out on the Floor by none other than Dobie Gray. I'm Chris, this is Daphne. Let's get into it, shall we? Starting off with the intro chords, we begin with a G, an open G. Moving on to an open C. This is played for 4 bars, however on that 4th bar we're going to be changing from a C to a C7, fairly straightforward. Playing those 4 bars in full, we have we then move into a fairly quick chord change progression, that being a C onto a B minor, first bar chord we're going to feature today, onto an open A minor, onto an open D, and then we're going to move into a G again. This time I'm going to take it to the bar chord version of G major. So I'm going to move through the quick chord changes that lead into the verse, which is also our chorus progression. What we have there, we're playing on the C on the 1, then we're playing a B minor on the 2 and, A minor on the 1, D on the 2 and, G on the 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Slow down if you find those changes a little bit quirky, a little bit challenging to begin with, and make sure you try and count, even if you don't count out loud, count in your head. As you see there, I finished up on the G. That is going to be the beginning. That's the first chord we're going to use in the beginning of the verse, which is like so. 2 chords, 2 we played already, however we are changing to the bar chord version, that being G and a C. Fairly easy, in the same kind of position. Your bar finger on the 3rd fret, and we have the rhythm, which goes like this. We then move up to a B chord. This is what kind of really gives the song its sparkle in terms of going places. We move to a B, which is going to be from the 3rd fret where you had your G before. You're going to move same shape all the way to the 7th fret. And then the 2nd chord, again, like the G and the C, we're in the same position. We're on the 7th fret with our bar finger, moving to an E. Now if you listen to the song, what happens next is there's a slight climb because he obviously plays a keyboard, plays a piano. There's kind of a combination of chords where he climbs. I think this kind of he gets inverted, which is a bit tricky to do on guitar in places. But I'm going to show you the bar chord versions of this climb, ascending and descending. Enough talking, it sounds like this. So what we have there is we have E flat 5, moving all the way to an A flat 5, B flat 5, back to A flat 5. If you want to skip this and just use a bar chord for 2 bars, you can just simply play the E flat bar chord. So I'll play both versions. So what I'll do is I'll play this through once and then we'll move on to the intervals which complement the iconic xylophone riff. Of course, for everyone who knows this record, there is a nice, I think it's pretty much a xylophone that plays, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but there's a nice little kind of interval section, a riff section, and I'm going to take you through that now, and it sounds something like this. What you're going to do is, what I do is I put my second finger on the 4th string, fret number 9, and then my first finger on the 2nd string, fret number 8. And the pattern I tend to play, you can change this up as you go along. It kind of changes a little bit here and there. 1 and 3 and. And then we move our second finger along to the 10th fret, remove our first finger, replace with our 3rd finger on the 2nd string, fret number 10 also. Put together we have and then we do exactly the same finger positions for our harmonic intervals. This time we're moving along to frets 12 and 13. These are played over the chords of B and E. Now it's time for you to put together your new skills for this play along version.